All right, guys, I am back with a cocktail that absolutely screams spring. Whew, tongue twister. All right, this is going to be the White Peach Martini. This is going to be a shaken cocktail, so you're going to need your shaker tins, your jigger, and because there is actually no fresh juice in this one, we just need our Hawthorne strainer for this one. So, as always, the ingredient list is going to be down below, so you can follow along and make this cocktail with me. We're going to start off with 1 ounce of white cranberry juice. I'm not going to lie, I struggle bust it so hard. I don't know what it was about the white cranberry juice, but I could not find it to save my life. Luckily, Total Wine had it. All right, then we're going to go in with some peach schnapps, and you're going to do a 1 ounce pour of that as well. And then to finish off, we're going to do a peach vodka, and we're going to do 2 ounces of that. So this guy is going to scream peach all the way around. As always, you're going to fill your shaker tin all the way to the top with ice. I think I need to get a bigger scoop. And then, of course, guys, if you enjoy the content that you are seeing here tonight and enjoy watching me make cocktails and possibly making the cocktails yourself, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, so that way you can always find my content and you can make these cocktails a second time because they're just that good. All right, as always, we're going to shake this guy until it is ice cold in our hands. Remember, we have no fresh juice in here, so we can use just the Hawthorne strainer. And for this particular cocktail, it doesn't have a large garnish. Ideally, I would have preferred to have a full peach slice to be on the rim here. But I don't know if you know this, but in Wisconsin right now, it's not exactly peach weather. So instead, what we're going to do is we're going to go in with a lemon wedge, go all the way around the rim, get some nice lemon juice on there, and then we are going to put it in some sugar just to give it a little bit of a pop. Not that this particular cocktail needs it because she's beautiful and can stand on her own 2 feet. And then we're going to go straight in with the pour. Delicious. There she is, guys. The White Peach Martini. She's nice and refreshing. So until the next pour, cheers.